Hi guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this rainbow look, which is part 2 of my collaboration with Ashley. We recreated each other's rainbow looks, so this is my recreation of her look. Make sure to check out her Instagram, her YouTube, her Twitter. I will link it below in the description box. And I would like to credit Rocio Ceja because she is our inspiration, our rainbow queen. We love you. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.
I never wanna hold you back. I wanna give you every chance to make it, I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking. Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know reject my love, moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder to cry on. And I'll stand against all enemies, your enemies. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking, but I'll still be your superhero. I'll be your superhero. I never wanna hold you back. I wanna give you every chance to make it, I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking. Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know that hold you back. I wanna give you every chance to make it.
This right here is the final look with this first lip variation. I will link the name below in the description box. Make sure to check it out. And this right here is the second lip variation. I will also link the name below. This is the final look. Let me know what lip variation you guys preferred. Please show some love to my friend Ashley. I will link her Instagram, her Twitter, and her YouTube below in the description box. Make sure to check her out. Make sure to also check out the Rainbow Queen Rocio. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you. And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.